everybody, it is Sunday, kicking up outfit of the day, what I wore, where you get a week of outfits, you get a bit of life, PA weather, and puppies. So I sure hope you stick around for that long haul, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. If you're new, I'm Laura, and as I mentioned, I do have a lot of furry sidekicks, sometimes how they just keep multiplying, but they're just here for fun, and so you don't have to look at me all the time. As I said, it is Sunday morning. The sun is starting to come out. 76 degrees right now, getting up to 83. And I'm a little stressed and can't believe that it's like already Sunday somehow, right? Like, how did that happen? You know, the Sundays are like a real thing. And I'm a little stressed about everything I did not get done. So I did get a lot done at my dad's. We've actually made some pretty decent progress, but there's still so much to do, and of course I'm traveling not this week but next week. So, and we close when I get back on that Friday. So I'm feeling a little bit of that pressure. It's all going to be good though. It's all going to be good. So as we kick off the week, I am super comfortable. I actually have my bathing suit on underneath here. I think I'm going to try to relax for one more day here, and we are going to my dad's later. So it's been this thing where I try to spend a bit of the day not worrying about this stuff, and then the second half of the day worrying about all the stuff, right? So I have on a pair of mica denim from a Wantable. I have this cute I'm a Little Firecracker tee from Mother that I got at Nordstrom. Of course, you know it. I have on my Sanuks because we're just casual today, and I didn't put on any jewelry. And that's my outfit today to kick off the week. Hope you're having an awesome day, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Monday, time for outfit of the day. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous day out. 70 degrees, getting up to 85, all sun. I'm trying to ease my way back into work today, so that means no meetings, but a lot of work to do. Plus, we're going to my dad's again, so it's every night it's like go see my dad or go to the house, or sometimes it's both. So it's been a pretty busy month so far. And let's see, for my outfit today, I have on a pair of Z Supply shorts that I got in a Trendsend a while ago. So this one isn't this year. I have on an Evereve top I got from the Evereve store. So this one wasn't a Trendsend. I bought it myself. I thought it was super cute. And my shoes are Dolce Vita, which I know is shocking to you, right? Put on like a little gold. And I didn't put any extra jewelry on today. I don't know why. I just didn't. That's my outfit. All right, I am off to take care of a couple errands for my dad, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, time for outfit of the day. It is a gorgeous but hot day out, 88 degrees, getting up to 91 today. And it's a work day, so I'm not able to get out into it, but it would be a great pool day. Really good. And let's see, I have a work dinner today. I have to leave like right at 4 o'clock to try to get into town. There's a bridge that's closed and all kinds of stuff. So I think it's going to take me well over an hour to get downtown. I'm planning for an hour and a half. Hopefully it does not take longer than that, but fingers crossed. And so for my outfit, I picked a one and done. I won't have time. I have meetings right up until the time I have to leave. So I have on this dress by Sanctuary that I plan to wear, paired with, Dexter keeps wanting to sit on me, and I'm trying to keep him off of the dress for one day, no dog hair all over me. But I have these shoes on from Dolce Vita. I have on the necklace my husband got me, and then my bracelet stack, and hopefully I didn't forget anything. It's been a busy week. All right, guys, I will see you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey, everybody. It is Wednesday. Feels like it should be Friday, but it's only Wednesday. Time for outfit of the day. The gang is all here. It is a brisk, windy day. 88 degrees, getting high of 92 today. It feels pretty warm out here. I've been back-to-back meetings today, so this is like my only quick break. And let's see, my Stitch Fix and Wantable boxes posted today, and I thought they were both good. In the end, I ended up keeping 5 items from each of them. Isn't that funny? Like, I kept 5 from each. So, for me, they kind of tied. All right, so for my Stitch Fix, I kept the Barber vest by CC Sports. I kept the Z Supply all day knit jacket with the stars. The Dolce Vita flip flop, yes. The cut from the cloth Ashton relaxed barrel leg, and I kept the marine layer tank. So I kept 5 from that one. And for Wantable, and I will say that one was like almost double the price of the 5 items I kept from Stitch Fix. So from Stitch Fix, I kept the Scout knit striped pant. So not the solid black. I didn't keep that pair, but I kept the striped pant. I kept the mica denim. I kept the Vervet denim. I kept the coastal sweater, and I kept the black tank. So I didn't keep the black dress or the Ella wide leg pair. And I didn't keep the peplum blazer by Liverpool. I have a black and white kind of striped one, pinstripe one, which is very similar, so I didn't keep the solid white one. All right, so those were my keepers. And then for my outfit today, I have on a Armoire outfit. It's so windy out here right now. I have on shorts from FRNCH. It's like FRNCH. And then this little top from Love Token, both from an Armoire. My tank is by Lou & Grey, Loft. And my shoes are from a Trendsend. These are by Splendid. I love them. They're comfy. Cute little heel. I like the little gold accent there. For jewelry, I just have on the necklace my husband got me. And I have on a bracelet stack. That's my outfit today. Hope your week's going well. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody. It is Thursday. Is it Thursday? I think it's Thursday. Yes. I almost didn't get to do this video because my day was just insane. And then I came outside to run the dogs, and too bad you guys can't smell it, but see how hazy all of this is back here? We're experiencing smoke, a lot of it, like it's bad, from the wildfires in Canada. So I'm really hoping everybody there is okay and they get that out soon, because this is pretty bad. It's bad. And it's hot out. It is 88 degrees. 89 was the high. It's 5:30 in the afternoon. I'm finally getting to do this before I run to see my dad. He's been moved to the assisted living facility now. So we're going to get to go see him, see what his room looks like, see what he needs, and we'll be back again tomorrow to take him some more of his stuff. So I assume this is still going to continue to be a process for me. For my outfit today, I am super comfortable. I have on a pair of Miramar shorts from Rag & Bone. I put a Ever Eve top on. I'm loving the little gold side pin here. You guys can see that. I think that's cute. And then I put on the little flip-flops from Dolce Vita that I got in the latest Stitch Fix. I have on a bracelet stack, the necklace my husband got me, and that's it. All right, I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Friday, time for outfit of the day. It is the end of the day. It's after 5, and it is 83 degrees. That's about the high today. You can see it's still really, like, our air quality today was the worst ever from all of the wildfires happening in Canada. I haven't been able to watch the news and see what's going on, so I'm assuming whatever is happening in Canada is really, really bad. So I'm sending all kinds of prayers and thoughts out to you all, and hoping everything is okay and can get under control soon, because just what we're experiencing so far away, I'm thinking it has to be pretty major. So I'm sending all kinds of thoughts and prayers out to Canada right now. And actually, like, they're canceling events. Outdoor events are being canceled because of the poor air quality. So that's telling me it's pretty bad right now. Let's see, for my Friday funny, I caught this little snippet. So it started with Dexter was rolling over in the grass and scratching his little back in the grass. I missed that part, but I started filming and captured Loki, then started to do it, and then Willie did it. So if I would have caught all three, you would have seen all three of them rolling over and rubbing their back in the grass, which I thought was funny. I've never seen them all three do that together before. Tico didn't do it. I haven't seen him do that. Not Teak. Not Teak. You want to say hi? Want to say hi? Yes, Tico's so cute. We got my dad situated in his room today. Yeah. And I he's in the adjustment period right now, so hopefully they can get to know him, he can get to know them, and things can start to smooth out here soon. We have to get the house cleaned out by next week. Target is by really Monday, because I have someone coming to start to clean the house out. They're going to do that Monday and Tuesday, so anything left as far as furniture goes will be donated, dishes, that kind of thing. And yeah, and the closing is next week. I'm traveling for work next week, so it's going to be a busy week. I keep saying I just need to get through next week. Yeah, I can't wait till a week from now. I think then hopefully things will be a little more stable and calm. We'll see. For my outfit today, I'm pretty comfortable because we were running around doing, like, I worked today and then I took a break to run and do things for my dad, and then came back to finish working, and then here we are. So it's another reason why I'm so late in getting to this. But I'm casual today. I have on a pair of Mavi shorts that I got in a Wantable. I have on a top that I got in a JB Stylebox. Who's this one from? Can I see that? Can you guys see that? Daze. Looks like Daze. Yeah. I have on a Daze tank, as I said, from JB Stylebox. I just have on, you probably saw, like a blue bralette underneath it. And for shoes, how about these fun ones from Dolce Vita you've seen before? I didn't put any real jewelry on. I just have a little bracelet stack. That's my day. All right, I hope you guys are doing well, and I will see you tomorrow for one more outfit. Hey everybody, it is Saturday and time for final outfit of the day. It is just before 9 in the morning. We just had a thunderstorm roll through earlier, and hopefully it clears up a bit. I think it's supposed to be nice for the most part of the day. My Beachly box posted. Please go check that one out. I think Beachly has been doing pretty good, so I'm kind of enjoying that box, but you let me know what you think. And for my final outfit of the week, I have on a loft outfit. I have on a loft skirt with a little matching tank. I'm enjoying this a lot. And it has the fringe. So the fringe is something fun, right? Fun and whimsical. And then how about these shoes you've seen before by Dolce Vita. Love them. The little seashells. And for jewelry, I have on a necklace and a bracelet that I got when I was in the Philippines. I'm planning to go back here in a few weeks, so I really enjoy this one. And that's my outfit. And that's a wrap. What was your favorite outfit this week? I can't wait to hear. Please comment down below. As always, I will link as many items as I can. I'll list all of my outfits. If I can link directly to an item, I will. Many come from boxes, so of course all the box links are down below, and I'll let you know which boxes they came from. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today, and I will catch you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and swipe the hype before you go. Bye-bye.